How to turn off Snapchat read receipts. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now go to chat section, and before opening any chat, scroll down your notification panel and turn on airplane mode. Now open the chat. Now read the message and go back. Now clear your recent apps. Now turn on your Wi-Fi and reopen Snapchat. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question what to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.